No speak Santu, I don't know how to talk.
I ఏదో ఒకటి మాట్లాడు.
Don't know how to talk.
What to talk?
Ta.
What? Don't know.
ஆரம்பிட்ட வேண்டாம். You parallel speech ஆரம்பிப்பா நான் இன்னொரு parallel speech முடியும்.
Say something if you feel happy or sad. Okay, Shiva. How do you feel? She's leaving now.
She'll be very happy.
I don't know. Speak from
Shiva, nalla manasuthatto say.
For the same cost, she can eat more budgies.
I can tell
For same money, you can eat twice the budgies you eat
because the
daily.
cake was not.
For same?
Money you used to share daily, right? Budgies. Now you can eat double.
Emmara.
ఏం కాదు వాడికి అర్థమైంది దానికి ఒక అర్థమైంది.
How is your TL feeling? That is such a valuable resource.
Time pass ஆக மாட்டேங்குது.
Even time pass.
No, other than our batch, like who helped you a lot?
Pakit.
Within 2 months, verify postponed effort.
Verify postponed efforts.
Sure, okay. Because you are leaving, you have to eat the cake.
Okay, mob disperse.
Because she is leaving, she has to eat the cake. Kadam.
అది కొంచెం వెయిట్ చేసి ఏడ్చింది అనుకో పెద్ద పెండ్ అవుతుంది.
ఏడది అది.
ఆల్రెడీ 2-3 తిడితే ఆపింది.
Hey, Vaishnavi, you are really good time passer. We miss you.
That kind of words I'm expecting from everybody.
A good time
Not
passer.
that kind of words.
He's saying I'm a good time passer.
Arey anything.
Seriously, yaar, when we are having lunch, if you are not in table, very bored, yaar.
We food not get digested, you know.
You will do always do something.
There must be some other problem with Ramana, not Vaishu.
And such a beautiful smile you have. I'll speak with you for that smile.
Thank you, Ramana.
What about Shiva? Why you speak with her?
Hey,
Okay, in her file. Okay. Hey, private and confidential.
or smile if she is talking, then what about Usha?
Usha, in her farewell we'll speak.
Hey,
Not our topic.
smile you are
Not our topic.
Hey. Okay, we are talking about Vaishu now.
Okay, no.
Okay.
Anything else? Hey, something we can think no positive about her.
Next, nobody wants to say anything to
There must be
Vaishu.
some positive points about Vaishu, yaar.
Okay, all will say one positive, one negative.
You should say about everybody.
That is best.
That's best.
Something.
That's better.
That's best. What
Or
you want
else-
about everybody?
If we say, it will be duplicated. One will say the same.
Start with beloved Santu.
No, I will start with Shiva.
Why I am
That's
stupid?
much better.
Chhi.
Arey,
Torch. Chhi.
what a man, huh?
Reporting with camera.
Okay, start.
Serious. What is I in Shiva?
Our height.
Comedy hang back.
You are an effort, huh?
Okay, first you finish off Usha. She has to leave.
What I like in Usha?
What?
What?
What is what you like it?
Location chance देते अदर कोड़ते हैं इतना इजी.
How? Why?
Hey, see.
Hey, Ramana, what a feeling.
What is negative?
इगो नु सेंटर
No
आइतो.
negative, only positive.
இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பெரிய பையன்
எல்லாருக்குமே வெறும் positive தான்.
ఒకటి అయిపోయింది.
இப்பதான் போயிட்டால எங்க சொல்லு.
No negative, only positive. Happy moments, right? Say Santu, what we can say for
Hey.
Shiva?
அவளுக்கு முன்னாடி சொல்லிட்டு எனக்கு என்ன சொல்றது அதாவது நிறைய
Hey, make it fast. You have to finish off everybody.
अरे यार जल्दी करो.
what do you feel positive in yourself and what do you feel negative in yourself?
First
The
of
best part in Shiva is
Think.
Pink.
hey, make it fast.
I don't know something.
Why you started the sentence?
அது சொல்ற நேரம் யோசிப்பேன்.
Hey, make it fast. What is this? Abba. Did water comes to mind? Speak. Speak.
Always coming over with me. Always coming over with me. That's the best thing I like.
வெளியில ஊரு சுத்துறதுக்கு ரெடியா இருப்பா. அதுதான்
Next.
In Poo, she always supports me.
Negative about Shiva. Negative about Shiva.
No negative.
No, you should say. Okay, your wish.
Okay,
She
only
won't speak with
positive.
anybody, she'll speak only in the phone. If somebody calls.
Okay, negative simply given by Ramana.
Okay. Your part. So that everybody will beat you. Okay.
Okay, next to Poo. Next is Poo.
Okay, Poo I like very much because she always supports me.
Name is good.
She's like cement.
What?
Ambuja cement, very strong, supportive. Okay,
And she always scolds Guru, so I'm very happy.
okay.
And Kami, best part in Kami.
He is living along with you, best part.
He helped in completing all the formalities. HR formalities.
BPO.
Make it fast.
No SNMP. He's a BPO, always talking in phone. BPO.
You will also come.
24-hour service.
அவளை விடலாம் இல்ல.
Best
Okay.
part about Ravi.
No, no best part.
I have Narayana. I will say about your weight.
When you say about Nagarjuna.
Always he comes to my place and always he asks for snacks. That's the best part.
But till now
అంటే
you didn't hear, right?
ఉచ్చమం లెక్క వచ్చి అడుక్కుంటా ఊసుంటామని ఇంగ్లీష్ లో చెప్పింది. అబౌట్ విజయ్.
Vijay said.
Snacks against the
Vijay is
Diva.
there,
Vijay.
Snickers boy.
No, he watches cartoon movie. Along with Loki, they'll both go.
They go to theater and see cartoon movies at the age of 23.
Surrender.
Loki.
Best part about Loki, that's what I'm thinking.
No
Best
best
part
part.
about Loki.
Gossip.
Gossip, yeah, gossip.
Leakage.
That girl, walk.
ISIT.
மார்க் போடுது 6. 6 போகுது 6 போகுது.
Sangamitra. Loki is always behind Sangamitra. Thinking.
சங்கமித்ரா எப்ப ஃபோன் பண்றா? சங்கமித்ரா போட வைக்கிறா.
When she will start talking, when she will end up the call, and what she is talking. That always he
What?
wants.
வாட்ச்
talking, I
ஸ்டார்டிங்ல
never
வந்து
understand.
கேட்காது. எப்ப ஃபோன் பண்றா? எப்ப வைக்கிறா?
always
2 மணி நேரமா ஃபோன் பேசிட்டு இருக்கா.
எங்க தூக்கத்தை டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்றது அதான்.
Okay.
And
Guru. Shifted.
Guru. இன்னும் கூட இருக்கு அவனை பத்தி.
சரி மேல் அடி.
பரவாயில்ல நோ ப்ராப்ளம்.
No, வேண்டாம். மொபைல் எல்லாம் வேண்டாம். About Guru.
About Guru.
பப்பு.
కానీ తొందరగా మాకు పనులు లేవా
ఒక నిమిషం. Guru.
Why you are seeing her? You say or you go stand there. Go.
He'll take you in car. Right?
Yeah, he will take us in car. That's good for him.
Hey, no bits.
Hey, no cheating. You should not say. Hey, Kamesh, disturb Jacob.
Now next Kamesh turn.
Make it fast.
About Radha.
Hey, about Guru.
Guru, he takes us in car. That's it.
No, you have. That is common.
Original.
telling he's our
But one secret. Always he gets scoldings when he drives car in road. Nobody will give respect to him.
அதனால பிடிக்க மாட்டேங்குது.
Okay.
One very
Play award, you have lost play award.
About Radha.
Radha, you can send SMS afterwards.
You are on the limelight. Come on.
The best satisfied employee in Alcatel. Because after appraisal, Radha got new shirts. Daily.
Prakash.
About Prakash, too much sincerity. Saturday, Sunday also he will work.
வீட்ல போர் அடி
Anbu.
Anbu is very good.
In what?
Anbu.
Very calm, very friendly.
Comment ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ
Yeah, very good boy.
Okay.
Ramna,
Very nice, calm,
now it comes
friendly.
to Ramna.
Hey, no. English, everybody.
Everybody should understand, right?
Okay.
Ramna, there is a kind request from you. Please work when it's like you have to work for 8 hours. You have to work. Don't always talk in phone, okay? You're not working in a BPO.
Okay.
And please change your t-shirt at least once in a while. Every time I see you, you are wearing this t-shirt.
Only that time you are seeing me.
No.
You're
In
not
every,
seeing it as a couple?
I don't know.
You're not seeing it as a couple?
Every
No,
Tuesday you are watching me.
I don't know who gifted him this t-shirt.
ఒక లంగగాడు కనిపించిందిలే ఓ వీడియోలో వచ్చేసింది
All 4 days.
ఓకే
For 4 days in a week, he's wearing the t-shirt.
అంతేనా ఇంకా
అందరికి ఇంక ఎక్కువ అయిపోయింది
నా
ఇప్పుడు
గురించి చెప్పండి
Hey,
t-shirts
Santu.
చెప్పేమిరా? Hey,
Santu.
you have to say about me, not about my t-shirts.
You are wearing the t-shirt, right?
So
It's
that-
yours,
that
right?
is-
So, okay.
Goodbye, kind boy.
I will not say.
Crack.
I'm friend of Jyoti. I'm enemy of yours. Then
Jyoti is
Ramana's
would be.
not would be fiancé.
ఓకే
ఎవరు?
జ్యోతి
வந்தனா வந்து இவங்க ரமணாவை பார்த்து கிராக்ன்ட்டு போயிட்டாங்க.
అవునా
అరే I cracked a joke this
Ah,
year.
no.
Sorry, Santu.
பைத்தியம்.
About Santu.
నన్ను చూస్తా
The best part about Santu.
Worst part.
అట్టమైన ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ పెడదాం అనుకున్నా ఎందుకులే నా వీడియో కదా
Hey, మాట్లాడు.
Santu, what I should say about you?
మెయిల్ గో అండ్ చెక్ అవుట్
First చెప్పారని అది అడుగు లాస్ట్ కి వచ్చేది. What is your first difference? What is your negative point? ఇక్కడ వీడియో అయిపోతుంది తొందరగా చెప్పు.
1 hour వస్తుంది అంట
నీలాంటి
దరిద్రపు ఫోన్ ఓవర్ గురించి చెప్తుంటే వాళ్ళని తీయాలి వీడియో
వాడి ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ చూద్దానే.
నా ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ కూడా వాడిది కాదు ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్
అది మాట్లాడితే కదా అది బొమ్మ కూడా చెప్పదు అది.
Taught me many bad words.
Hey, I taught you a lot of Telugu words.
I'll say Santu.
వద్దు నేను నీకు ఎంత నేర్పించాను తెలుగు మర్చిపోతా అలాగే ఉంటది నా టీషర్ట్.
సంస్కారంగా నేర్పించావు.
సరే గుర్తుంచుకుంటా చివరి రోజు కదా.
Then about Santu, nothing, zero.
ఇంకా
Anతే.
యూ టోల్డ్ నథింగ్ అబౌట్ మీ బ్యాడ్ వర్డ్స్
సరే ఓకే వా
బూతు బచ్చాను
now everybody will say about Vaishi.
నాట్ సే
బూతు బచ్చాను
Hey, now everybody will say about Vaishi.
No.